Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, eh? And that one. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Show you that, see that wee blue coke there? There he is, right at the far corner. That's 165, 31st up in Reading National. He's the star of the loft, that blue coke, just walking to the front of the door. There he is. Honestly, him there. He's that cracking wee do. It's a McLeod pigeon, sitting at my stock loft. They went to 3 nationals, Reading, Brighton and Billericay. It was my first time with Reading, 31st Open. He was just at the Brighton and he was just at Billericay. But it was my first pigeon home for all 3 nationals. So, see, these are just babies. I'll no one put them through, you can tell. See them? Come on. Some of them are off with the Harry, ken that famous Harry pigeon, eh? That's what I've got there in my stock loft. I've got 3 pigeons there, well related to the Harry pigeon, eh? I've got a pigeon there that's inbred to him. Mr. Versatile, that's his name. Come on, come on. Come on, Ian, come on. It is warm, I have to say. That we'd be panting away this, yeah. My camera's roasting. I know. Wow, anyway. Come on, come on. Come on, Ian, come on. Come on, Ian, come on. Come on. See, it's a wee youngin', yeah. Come on, come on. Oh, look at that wee pigeon at the end there. It's a wee cracker. It's molting now, but I'll tell you what, it's a smart wee dude. Look at the wee pied there, eh? See all these pigeons with red markers on them, do you see them? Come on, see that wee coat there? He's a smart wee pigeon, that, yeah. You get his ring number, he's a cracking wee pigeon. Come on, come on, come on. Look at the wee pied. They're all at my slot. Come on. So this is all my next year's all birds. And I'm glad I did it. I've got 25 next door in the young bird team to race out this season. So that's what I'll do. Right then, I'll catch you all in the next video. It's my third in the now. Third. Ta-ta. See you later. Cheery, cheery. Say ta-ta, son. Say ta-ta. Say ta-ta. Here you come.